Jai Srimanarayana. When Sita Devi told about her Swayamvaram to Anasuya Devi felt very happy, and Anasuya Devi has taken Sitamma very close. Paryashvajata Bahubhyam Sirasya Agraya Maithilim. She did kissed on the head of Sitamma, and she did hugged Sitamma, and saying that, "O Sita, Pashitam Madhuram Tvaya, you are very, very sweet girl. Your words are very sweet. Vyaktakshara Padam Chitram. You also spoke very clearly, and your pronunciation is also very systematic and very clear. O Sita, I felt so happy after listening to your words, after listening to your sweet words, after looking at your very gentle gestures." Like that, Anasuya Devi said to Sitamma. Then it was the time for all the rishis going to ponds and lakes over there, taking snanam, taking bath, and with all the wet cloths they are coming back with water in their kalasam to do Sandhya Vandanam. And they have done so many Agni Hotram in the morning. From those Agni Hotram, the fumes, the smoke is coming out from Yajnasala and spreading all over that forest. Now it is slowly getting dark. Though trees are here and there, but with the smoke and with the darkness, it is looking like a dense forest. And because it is getting dark, all the Rakshasas now started going here and there. In that forest, all the deers came down to tapasvis, rishis, ashramas and Agnivedikas. They started taking rest under the steps of those Agnivedikas, and those deers are looking so beautiful. In that kind of atmosphere, now Anasuya Devi is saying that, "O Sita, before it gets too much dark, now you can leave me, you go to Rama." Like that, Anasuya Devi said, and also said that, "O Sita, I gave you so many ornaments, no? Why don't you wear all those ornaments in front of me? I would like to see after you gets decorated with those ornaments." Then Sita Devi put on all those ornaments which were given by Anasuya Devi. Now Sitamma is looking like a Deva Kanya. And then Sitamma did namaskaram to Anasuya and went to Sri Ramachandra Swami. After going to Rama has seen Sitamma decorated very well with so many ornaments. And he also came to know, he also learned about that Anasuya Devi gave all these ornaments. Sitamma told Ramachandra Swami about everything about Anasuya Devi. Then all the rishis came down to Sita Rama Lakshmana and made some arrangements for Sita Rama Lakshmana. They all spent that night in the same atmosphere within the all ashramas. Then early in the morning, Sita Rama Lakshmana got up. They did Abhishichya Hutagnikan. They have taken their baths, and Rama Lakshmana did their Agni Karyam. And they went to all the rishis, and they are saying that now we are going to be leaving from this place. Then rishis saying that, "Rama, whatever the place that you are now going to go, it is all filled up with Rakshasaihi Samabhiplutam." All the Rakshasas were over there. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.